we are unboxing the October treasure box, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening the latest treasure box. It's the October box. The theme is magic wands, but think more bibbidi boppity boo, not hocus pocus. It's not actually magical wands. Just every item in the box is shaped like a wand. So you'll see what I mean in just a second. Okay, I've got my tea with me and this is sort of a hint, but we'll get to that in just a second. Now before I open the box, I just want to say that there are a lot of things going on behind the scenes at the Hooting Pirate, so I don't actually have the exact items that you will be getting in your box, but I'll show you photos, so don't worry, you'll get to see what's coming if you want to see the spoilers. If you don't want to see the spoilers, put this on your watch later list and come back once your box arrives at your doorstep. If you are not subscribed yet, but you want your box to be a surprise, then you can go right now and click the link in the description below and your box will ship to you at the end of this month. Okay, let's get into it. So there's a magic wand here. It says, "Let us spoil you," and there's some pumpkins on the bottom. So let's dive right in. Okay, so there's what it looks like, and it has a little sticker that says, "You deserve this." And here is a look, a little sneaky peeky at the top of the box. Okay, we're going to leave this big guy in here for a second. Let's start with this one. So this is one of the two stationery items that you'll be getting. This is one of those things that isn't the exact one. It is wand shaped. It is a pencil, and the little tag here says, "Your pencil is your wand." This isn't the exact color. Here is the color that you will be getting, and they are also customized for the Hooting Pirate treasure box, and it says Cozy Autumn Vibes, so you'll be getting one of those. Let's start with the tea. Okay, so obviously tea is not wand shaped, but it is a 3 cinnamon tea, and cinnamon is a stick and wand shaped in itself. So this is actually, I was so impressed with this tea. I wanted the cinnamon because it's wand shaped, but the tea actually tastes way better than I thought it would. So enjoy a couple of cups of that. And on the topic of tea, your craft for this box is a mug cozy. So you have this color yarn and a pair of knitting needles. So the knitting needles, these aren't the exact ones that you'll be getting, but you'll be getting a pair of knitting needles and this gorgeous purple yarn by Drops. It's not a completely solid color. It's got a bit of a mix of different purples. So it has a really nice variations of shades of the purple, and it knits up really nice. And don't worry if you're a beginner, this mug cozy, I've got different levels so that if you're a complete beginner at knitting, it's going to be super simple for you to knit this up. There's nothing complicated. But if you are a seasoned knitter, you can throw in a cable or something else that you like to do to have a really cute cozy for whatever mug that you want. So that's the DIY. What should we do next? Okay, let's do this guy. This is another one that I don't have the actual item. So this is a reusable straw. It looks very similar to this guy, except yours will be a buffalo plaid black and white. It's plastic, but reusable plastic, so that you can have a nice cozy colder drink, not the hot drink in your mug, but something else a little bit cooler. So that's your straw. Second stationary item is a planner clip. Now this isn't quite wand shaped. It's kind of a short and stubby wand. You get this cute little pom-pom planner clip in this mustard color. It'll look really great with your fall planner setup or in whatever book that you're reading right now. So that's stationary item number 2. Now before we get to the last 2 items, I just want to make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Next week we are going back to planning Christmas. I'm going to take you on a walk through my Christmas planner and how I'm using it now in October. And then later on this month, I'm going to be setting it up in my planner. So you don't want to miss those. Hit that notification bell. And if you are enjoying this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Okay, let's get back into the last 2 items. Okay, this one here, I don't even have anything that looks even similar, so I can't even show you a substitute. But what it is a butterscotch spoon, and I'm so excited for this. You can put it in your coffee to give your coffee a little kick, maybe have it with ice cream. It really is a warm, cozy treat that you can spoil yourself with. And the last but definitely not least is a scarf. And I love this color so much. It is so pretty. Oranges and mustards tend to be your go-to autumn colors, but purples and teals really look fabulous in the autumns. You can wrap yourself up in this. It's also really wide. You can use it as a shawl. You can put it on your shoulders as you curl up in your favorite chair to read with your tea. Or it'll help keep you toasty when you're out walking in the leaves. Okay, so there you have it. These are the 7 items in this box. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite is. If you aren't subscribed, go over now and make sure that you subscribe, because the cart is closing for this box on Friday. Okay, editing Kara, popping in really quickly. I am extending the date until Monday the 18th. So if you haven't got in, if you're watching this after Friday, don't worry, you can go and subscribe. The card is open for 3 extra days because I'm taking my own advice when life gets crazy. Sometimes you just need to take a break and take care of yourself. So this video is late, so I'm extending the date until Monday the 18th. There's also a link in the description below where you can get $5 off your very first box. So go there first and then go over and subscribe. If you haven't ordered your advent calendar yet, do that as well because it only have about 8 or 9 left, I'm not sure exactly. To make sure you don't miss out, pop over there now and get your advent calendar. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because next week we are back with Christmas videos. I'm taking you through my Christmas planner and what I'm doing in there now so that it's so early in October. And then later in the month, I'm going to actually set it up and make it pretty and add it to my current planner. Okay, welcome back to... Today we are on... Oh yeah, maybe close the window. I'm gonna take a sip. A lot of items. So, you can click on my little face to subscribe. Here are 2 more videos that I think you will like. If you made it this far, leave me a leaf emoji in the comments below. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.